హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియోలో మనం భారతదేశ అంతర్గత భద్రతా వివరాల గురించి మనం తెలుసుకుందాం. దట్ ఈస్ ఇండియాస్ ఇంటర్నల్ సెక్యూరిటీ గురించి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ సెంట్రల్ రిజర్వ్ పోలీస్ ఫోర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ సిఆర్పిఎఫ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ రేజ్డ్ ఇన్ 1939, హెడెడ్ బై డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్. హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్ వచ్చేసి న్యూఢిల్లీ. Objectives are to assist the state or union territory police in maintenance of law and order. Next one, Border Security Force BSF. It is raised in 1965, headed by Director General. Headquarters వచ్చేసి New Delhi. Objectives: vigilance on India's international borders and during war assumes supplementary role with the army. Next one, Assam Rifles, raised in 1835, headed by Director General. Headquarters Shillong. Objectives: vigilance of international borders in northeast and countering insurgency operations in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland. It is the oldest paramilitary force in the country. Assam Rifles is the oldest paramilitary force in the country. Next one is Central Industrial Security Force CISF, raised in 1969, headed by Director General. Headquarters వచ్చేసి in Delhi. Objectives: provide security to industrial undertakings owned by the government. Next one, Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP, raised in 1962, headed by Director General. Headquarters New Delhi. And the main objectives are guards Indo-Tibetan border that extends from Karakoram Pass in Ladakh to Lipu Lake Pass at Indo-Tibetan Junction and Nepal border. Also, VIP security, law and order and bank security also come under this Indo-Tibetan border police. Next one, Home Guards, raised in 1962. Objectives: to assist the police in maintaining security, to help defense forces, local authorities in case of epidemics, to undertake such services as may be required by the government from time to time. Next one, Intelligence Bureau, established in 1920, and our main objective is to collect secret information relating to country's security. Next one, Central Bureau of Investigation, that is CBI. It was established in 1953. Main objectives are to investigate the cases of misconduct by public servants, cases of cheating and fraud. Also investigates crime cases in collaboration with Interpol. Interpol under International Police Organization. Next one, Coast Guard, established in 1978. To protect the maritime and other national interests in the maritime zones of India. Next, National Crime Records Bureau NCRB, was established in 1986. Objectives: collection of crime statistics at the national level, information of interstate and international criminals to help investigation agencies. Next one, Rapid Action Force, that is RAF, established in 1992. It is a central police organization and is under the operational command the Central Reserve Police Force. Next one, Defense Research and Development Organization, that is nothing but DRDO, established in 1958. Main objectives are formulated and executes programs of scientific research, design and development leading to induction of state of the art weapons, platforms and other equipments required by the armed forces. Next one, National Cadet Corps, that is nothing but NCC, established in 1948. Objectives to stimulate interest among the youth in the defense of the country in order to build up a reserve manpower to expand armed forces. It is composed of students from educational institutions. Next one, Territorial Army, established in 1948, a volunteer part-time force, not professional soldiers but civilians who wish to assist in defense of the country. Right, these are the details of Indian security, internal security. Right, that's all for this video.